Okay, here's a little side trail near my place. Put it into a diff lock for this. And it's hard because it's going to hold the camera, but it's just down the road. It's a 5-minute drive. Actually, I'll turn this radio off. Hold on. I've just cleaned the whole car up. I'll show you in a sec, but I cleaned the outside of the car. And then I went to the garage, but my car was making weird rubbing noise, so I thought, oh, it's safer to go driving it again. Because it's... Oh yeah. So this is, you know, you'd get up here in your Jeep buggy. You would get up here, but yeah, it's in the wet. It's a little bit touch and go probably. This is you hear that noise there? Oh, there's a few logs around. Oh, here we go. There's a bit of a log here I have to watch. Rocks and everything too. I'm just in auto. I'm in low range with the diffs locked. There's certainly something rattling in the bloody transmission or gearbox. The motor sounds good though, so there we go. This is a nice little trail. I should really come here and stop and have a coffee. I might stop down here somewhere and have a coffee. Ooh. Whoa, here we go. Holy shit. Yeah. It's quite nice. Nice. Yeah, this is really good forest here. Like, it's literally near my driveway, you know, so it's I do come down here every once in a while. Oh, look at this, there's a bad stick here. I think I made it. Look, hey, one thing I like about these windows, put that in, that one there should do automatically, but it saves you windows, your mirrors. Here we go. Especially after the storms or whatever, you get a lot of trees and logs down here. You just gotta flip hands a while here. It's a nice, there's lots of shady spots to sit and have a coffee, but oh, here you go, over the sticks. Oh yeah, we got a bit of a slope here. I'll just, wow, holy horses. In the mud, this bit's a bit, you know, you can hear the rattle in the gearbox. But when I just looked at it in the driveway just now, it sounded like it was in gear, it was in neutral as well. Oh, here we go, over the lip. That, can you hear that rattle? Right, here's a crossover. This track here on the left is a much more grade 4 track, and I come up that way, not to that's very low range, that one. At the moment I'm just testing the motor still. So it's a nice forest drive here. Still just testing the motor. Whoa. Oh yeah. Here we go. Hey. It's a nice little trail. Try and avoid these sticks. Sometimes you got to get out. I got saws, but I don't have it with me. So the engine's great, but something's still wrong with the gearbox or the transmission. But you know, it doesn't seem like it's going to stop me. But there we go. Feels very good down here. Here you go. Oh, this is where you need your lift and stuff. These things here. So this is literally parallel to my track where I live. So it's literally pretty nice to come here. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. And we're almost back on the track. So apart from the rattle, it all seems good. I don't know what to think about the rattle. My mechanic hasn't rung me since he left, and he never really tested the engine. He just drove it up the driveway. Here we go. I spent the morning cleaning the outside of the car with a barbecue cleaning cloth. It worked really good. Can you see it's all white? Cleaned it all up. Okay, so a bit of a hill and then we should be out of here. A little bit of a bump. Here we go, let's chew up here. Whoa. You can turn left or right. I'm turning right. And this is my main track, which leads towards my house. Oh, I should drive you down there. Why not? I'll take you back to my place since this was just a 2-minute video, but this is my track. This is in the national park though, Barky. The whole thing's in the national park. And then oh, we got a car behind us. I hate going in with the car, so I don't go in with the car, so I'm gonna indicate here and let this truck go past me. I've never seen a truck like this. Let's just let this truck go. I'll just let him go because I hate trucks going anywhere. Oh, it's amazing. Never really see any traffic on this road at all. And there's a big truck with pipes on it goes past. I live in a very secure place, right? So I never go in there with cars behind me or anything. I've never gone in here. I've been living in this place now for 5 or 6 years. So driveway to where I live. There's a house up there, dam down there. This is our driveway. might as well show you. But that's only a short track, you know, like around here there's 40-minute tracks. Takes me an hour to get home on dirt like that. So, a little bit of a tar bit here, then it's back to gravel. That rattle. I hate the rattle. It's bad. Well, no, it could be something very simple. I'm not sure. Under pressure, the car's going good. It's just low revs. Okay, I used to live there in a tent for a couple of years. You can see the remains down there of the tent area. And then I moved into the studio. Normally I'll go this, I'll take him to the driveway. This is where I normally go. I was going to park outside so I could look at the carp. Okay, that's where my friend lives down there. Here's me up here. Okay. Wow. Can you hear that rattle? Now when I put it in neutral, the rattle goes away. I put it in gear again. Can you hear that? Now it's in neutral. Now it's in park. Okay, there you go.